call me say what's a bun down out of me in my bathroom. Naked as the day me born. Me run out of my bathroom and me pit this in me nakedness.
Viewer subscribers, I have a few videos that I want to share with you guys. Now, the first video is with a woman that cried out for help. She said she called 119, but them hung up on her instead of passing on her to the fire station department. Now, people, welcome to my channel. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so whenever we drop new content, you will be notified. Now, people, I am going to play this video and I want you guys to watch very keenly and listen very closely. All right, check it out.
I beat this in me nakedness. I'm a call 119 and they hang up on me blood clot. See it there? Me call emergency number. And they hang up on me! What is in a Jamaica? Me want to know what is in a Jamaica? What taxpayer money I go? Me call 119 and they hang up on me! A Lanelton police me if you ring! Lanelton police me if you ring! Fi call the fire brigade! Come in and know fire brigade number! Me call 119 and they hang up on me.
So me see that video where that woman here cry and say, yo, our place a burn down, you see me? And she call 119 and them hang up on her, you see me? Poor she maybe told she a panic and she a fret, she not even take notice of the wrong number she a call, or she call the wrong number not knowing, you see me? And I say them hang up on her, you see me? Which she not understand, you see? But I see people I tell her, say, yo, the number wrong, and I laugh and them thing there. You see it and I create joke and fun out type, bro. You see me? Bro, I screenshot all the page name so you can go watch the video and see all of who in the comment section and laugh so you know. Say them people, you can no fun know them people where I laugh and I take the video for joke. I want to see them because enough people know them. And you just know, say when phone time come and bad things maybe happen to you, them are gonna laugh off and them no care. You see me? Because I don't know how a situation like this happen. And yeah, somebody has said something wrong. And you gonna find it fun and find jokes out of it, bro. Eh? You see, say over the app you bring out the evil side enough for the people and I make you see how evil and heartless and wicked it is. Over the app you bring me. You see right now, music cuss the app and say, yo, the app you a cause world. But what I always know, I know the world evil. A people inside of the world, I'm really a see it now. I know the app evil, you know. And the people them wicked, just like how the people them there in the world with them evilness. I saw them bring them wickedness company up. So I saw be wickedness a stir up and people are blame the app. The app will show you how evil mankind is against them each other, bro. And that the app built for show the wickedness of some man, no brother. Yeah? And it just bring out how bitter, cold, evil and wicked Jamaica has become. And that's why we are going through so much things out here, bro. And it's only a matter of time for massive things start happen to it. We start claim lives out here. We can tell you, bro. Somebody I go through a process like this. You see me? And you go find time for find fun and jokes and laughter about it. The people them burn out, house burn down flat. Nothing the people them have. And you the dead in a comment section and laugh. How you feel yourself? You don't feel no fucking way. See me how people go around and murder innocent people and do all type of wicked things. Rob people, do all manner of evil. Them no feel no way. I saw you know come with someone need for ask how no feeling on yourself after and they don't feel no way. Cause if you need to feel a way, so when you put up the comment and you know watch your video and I say, oh no man, this not right man. The woman place a button and delete in the comment. So when you don't feel no way for no one left a comment on it. You go there tell all your friends them and your people them say, oh yeah the woman, the fool woman and say she call 119 and them hang up and I laugh. Me I tell you over here to show how bitter and evil enough people in Jamaica is youth. Me used to blame the app but me top blame it a uno for blame. The dirty mix up people them The vagabonds, them, all type of wicked people, them pack up over here, so. That's why I stay by myself and stay away from them. I don't want no strength from you, and I don't look no friend from you. Be a wicked people. The same one them where I say yes today to you, and them same one I say no tomorrow to you. I know no now fuck up people. Jamaicans, uno overall, now fuck up people. That's why people not showing no love and care, bro. I'm gonna wrong some people for not look on now fuck up set of people. Yeah? Woman I go through a moment like this and you not gonna laugh. The woman leave good at even know say you enough on the day in the comment section of life to what she even understand all what. Not even the social media where she use. Eh? Yo, Jaja youth, me I tell you bro. Me I tell you, I don't know what I'm doing, you know. I don't know what I'm doing, but you see enough for no, you love attention. You see when you laugh and them things that go on somewhere, you don't want people laugh to we do not go on attention, bro. You see? Dog, me I tell you brother. I don't know what doing the people you. Jaja, brother.
Alright everybody, I am here with this lovely young lady. I'm at UTech and I noticed that she was being escorted by another young lady here who's a student. I realized that she was like limping and the other student was kind of helping her, so I didn't know what the relation was. I am here to meet with somebody. I'm just come over. And she telling me now that she had a stroke. She got a stroke. And instantly, I didn't even want to know how that happened. I just asked her if she wanted a wheelchair and stuff. And she told me, say, you say you wanted a what? A walker? A beautiful Jamaican black sister. She wanted one of the walker. So I'm going to buy her a walker. If there's anybody who, if you have one and you're not using it in very good condition, and I don't have to use that money, you can call me and let me know so we can get it for her. She's studying. What are you studying?
Business.
She's studying business and she's in tears. Because I don't know why you're in tears. I know it's because you don't know me from Adams, and I am actually here. I really want to help her. It's obvious that she's having a financial struggle. If there's anybody who wants to reach out to help her, she has a stroke. God bless you. Yeah. But no, you don't have to cry. You don't have to cry. It's alright. You don't have to cry. But Jamaica, we should never have somebody right now who is disabled like this at university and have to be having somebody else to be holding her up to carry her to put her up on taxi. We have to change this. Because I am sure her lecturers and other people would have seen her situation and know of her condition. And this is not blaming Anjo. This is not blaming nobody. We have a Jamaican young lady here at UTech. I want her to get some attention right now. She needs some money to go to maybe with the school fee, whatever. Any one of you corporate organization or Digicel, Flow, anybody in the country want to make some good money for the Jamaican people, can you please allow her to get back? I want to give back to this young lady, please. What's your name?
Kadian James.
She's Kadian James. She's studying business here. Kadian James, studying business at UTech. You don't have to call me and give me the money. You don't have to call me. Call the school. You don't know her name. Kadian James, please. Me I beg on somebody from overseas. Yeah? You have an account? Like a bank account or something? I'm going to put her number. I'm going to put up her number. She's going to give me her phone number. Me I tag her phone number. I'm going to call her on herself. Make sure you give her on a bank account herself. So you can send directly to her. God bless you, yeah? One love. God make me reach us at the right time to see her. You're about to be helped, yeah? Yeah, man, bless you. No, bless you. No, please. When me tell you that she need it, she need it. She need it. Bless you. All right, Jamaica. So I am here at the University of Technology. Behind me is the Faculty of Engineering and Computing. This is the faculty that is responsible for engineers that UTech produces every year. We have hundreds of engineers, yeah, that leave this particular campus in Jamaica, University of Technology. Big up on yourself to all the staff members of UTech. I am here because we have a problem. The Prime Minister of Jamaica wants to import talent to Jamaica to help with the new construction that they're doing across the country, new infrastructure there. The Prime Minister wants to convince Jamaicans that we do not have enough professionals in our country to do the job in our country. We're sick and tired of the blatant disregard for the talents that are here locally. There are enough engineers, contractors, and all kinds of people that the country needs. in order to get the jobs done. Give them the job and don't tell us that you're importing engineers and you're importing professionals from overseas. So what's the purpose of this faculty? What's the purpose of the schools and the universities that we have in Jamaica? What's the purpose of you and Bobby Montague and what name, Andrew Wheatley and all the people in your administration that is building the what do you call it? The science and technology and engineering schools and all kind of stuff. Why you trying to make us feel like you actually want product out of Jamaica to use in Jamaica? And the same talents that you refuse to use that are in Jamaica, that UTech and UWI and NCU and all the other university and schools in Jamaica produces per year. Those same talents, America, China, and other countries take them out of the country and buy them. Did you know that in 2010, 5 young men went from Northern Caribbean University to represent Jamaica at a computer fair overseas with over 120 countries, and those students from NCU were the top winners in a computer. You know who bought them? Microsoft bought 3. Microsoft bought 3 of them. Bill Gates, dirty Bill Gates, I mean, bought 3 of them because even Bill Gates could see the value in our own Jamaican produce. You don't see the value, and it is time for every single one in the parliament to lift up, because we have these students who have to sleep night and day. I study every single day, them get up every day. Some of them cannot even find lunch money to come to school to get themselves qualified. When they do get qualified, you as the Prime Minister of Jamaica should have been ashamed of your damn self to come and tell us the people that we don't have the talent in Jamaica, we don't have the professionals in the country to build the infrastructures. And what kind of infrastructure we not going to build when we don't have the talent for? Tell me which one you are going to build when we don't have the talent for. And why don't you have a system where, just like how China can take our teachers to teach for them people in China English, why don't you get a Chinese contractor or engineer come to Jamaica and teach some of our engineers, although we don't really need them, because I believe that our lecturers who are here, they are more than capable to give the Jamaican students that are here the information that they need to be the best of the flipping best. You, Andrew Michael Holness, and every single one of you in that parliament, you're going to start respect Jamaicans. You hear me tell you, you're going to start respect Jamaicans. You need to either respect us or leave this damn country alone. Leave the country alone. No criminals are coming here. We do not need no more professionals here. Jamaicans need jobs. Jamaicans have enough people here to do what needs to be done. So tell us what you want to do, and we will provide the talent. That is all me have to say. Big up yourself.